Today I was looking on YouTube how to make money online and come across this video.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online watching different YouTube videos.
It says here that I can earn $1.2 for watching video ads.
If you watch 10 videos, you can earn up to $12. If you watch 20 videos, you can earn up to $24, and so on. So like this video.
The site this popular YouTuber talking about.
I will reveal the name of this website later in this video.
As you can see, calls earnably. You can just go under my video and click on the link. After that you need to click sign in with Google, and as you can see everything working and I can easily earn money online. So you can receive money to your PayPal and the minimum amount is only $1, and every 10,000 points you will earn $1. So click here offers. After you need to change what you will use, so I will use web. Also you can use your mobile phone, iOS or Android. Then you can choose here high gas paying, and as you can see for one offer you can earn 360,000 points. So it's exactly $36. But on the previous video you can watch it here. I told you why this games is not working. So if you're interested you can watch this video. But this doesn't matter because we need earn money from video ads. Well, let's start and earn money from watching ads.
And finally, here you can make money watching videos. So let's start with this option first.
But it's obvious that we were the same, and for watching ads we will not earn $1.2. As you can see, per one video we will earn 8 cents. As you can see, when I choose watching video for 750 points, it doesn't working, this 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 doesn't work. In short, this is fake video to attract attention. But don't worry, it's okay, we can still earn money. For 80 points, video working. So as you can see, I need to watch full video, it's around 2 minutes. So I spent 2 minutes to earn 8 cents. And now we can easily calculate, to earn $1.2 we need to watch 15 videos. So I need to spend half an hour to earn only $1. I'm not joking, but I think a much better way to earn money is to collect less metals or hand over bottles. But don't worry guys, here you can also earn money by completing surveys.
Another way to multiply your earnings is surveys, so let's move to the surveys. As you can see here, you can find a ton of surveys for you, starting from 1-minute survey.
As you can see, only per 1 minute you will earn 2,500 points. So let's check it. What is your gender? Male. Okay, continue. Continue. Oops. Try another survey. So I spent 1 minute and I earn nothing. Okay, let's try another one. Okay guys, together I spent around 15 minutes, and as you can see this doesn't working and I earned 0 points. So they even didn't pay me 18 points. So obviously this site is not working and this is scam. You will even didn't earn $1. In short, all such sites where you can earn money for free are just waste of time and a scam. I really don't understand why people watching such videos every day. Okay, if you are not stupid, I advise you to watch this video if you really want earn money online.